Think you know what a luxury sports sedan should feel like? The all-new 2026 BMW 4 Series is turning heads with features that no one saw coming, like a surprisingly smooth ride that rivals even larger luxury sedans, and tech upgrades that make driving feel almost futuristic. But is this just another pretty face or a game changer for everyday drivers in the US? Today, we're putting it to the test against its biggest competitors, and some of the results might shock you. Can a car this sleek really handle real-life daily driving? Let's find out. The 2026 BMW 4 Series is finally here, and it's already creating a buzz among luxury car enthusiasts in the US. BMW has long been known for blending performance, style, and comfort, and this latest model promises to push those boundaries even further. Designed for drivers who want daily usability without giving up premium luxury, the 4 Series is aimed at anyone who craves sleek design, advanced tech, and a smooth, confident ride. Today, we'll see how it stacks up, not just on paper, but on the road, and whether it truly lives up to the hype against its main competitors. Stay tuned, because some of its features might surprise you. Step inside the 2026 BMW 4 Series, and the first thing you notice is the cabin's perfect balance of luxury and practicality: soft touch materials, a driver-focused dashboard, and tech that feels straight out of the future. Under the hood, it packs enough power to make merging on highways effortless, yet it stays surprisingly composed on tight city streets. The sleek exterior turns heads at every corner, while smart safety features and comfort-focused tweaks make daily driving easier than ever. But it's not perfect. There are a few trade-offs that might catch buyers off guard. And when we put it head-to-head against its top rivals, some of the results might surprise you. Now here's where the 2026 BMW 4 Series truly comes alive. On the open road, the acceleration surprises. Even the 0 to 60 feels sharper than expected, with smooth, confident handling that hugs every curve. The steering is precise, the suspension keeps the ride comfortable without feeling soft, and the tech features seamlessly assist without getting in the way. Yet, during tighter maneuvers, a few compromises in rear seat space and visibility become apparent, reminding us it's not flawless. And when we compared it directly with its main competitors, some results were shocking. What excelled in comfort didn't always lead in performance, and vice versa. By the end of this test, it's clear the 4 Series isn't just a pretty face, but how it ranks overall might surprise you. After putting the 2026 BMW 4 Series to the test, it's clear this car delivers on the promise of everyday luxury. Its strengths, comfort-focused design, intuitive tech, and surprisingly agile handling make it an excellent choice for drivers who want style and practicality in equal measure. On the flip side, tighter rear space and premium pricing may make it less ideal for larger families or budget-conscious buyers. In the current US market, it stands out as a strong contender among luxury sedans, showing that comfort and performance can coexist. So, is this the daily luxury car you've been waiting for? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews.